Namaste children, welcome to the math class. Today I am going to explain graph of a linear equation in two variables. Previous class we learned what is a linear equation two variables and how can you find the solutions of a linear equation two variables. Now today class I am going to explain how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. So from the graph we can find the infinite number of solutions of this linear equation in two variables. Let me take one example now. So I am taking one example. 2x plus y is equal to 7. Yes, I am taking one example of a linear equation in two variables. Now I want to represent this graphically. So to represent this graphically, let me find the value of y. Y is equal to 7 plus 2x is my transpose minus 2x. Now we need to find the solutions of this linear equation two variables. After getting the solutions, order pair, we need to plot on the graph paper. Now see y is equal to I got 7 minus 2x. And let me take this one is equation 1. Now we will try to draw the order pairs, x, y, x comma y. We will try to write the order pairs now. To draw the graph, we need x coordinate value, y coordinate value. Now, in this equation 1, by submitting different x values, we get the different y values. Now let me submit x is equal to 1. X is equal, let me take 2, otherwise submit x is equal to 2 and find the y value 1. Submit, yes, submit x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So what is equation 1 now? Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into, what is x value take into? So y is equal to 7 minus 2 to the 4, y is equal to 3. By taking x is equal to 2, I got corresponding y value is 3. Now what is the order pair now? 2 comma 3. Similarly, you can take another x value to get y value. And let me take x is equal to 3. Submit that x is equal to 3 in equation 1 now. Now again submit. Now let me submit x is equal to how much value? 3. X is equal to 3 in equation 1. So what is equation 1 now? Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Now y is equal to 7 minus 2 in the place of x. We are going to submit 3. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 3 is 6. So y is equal to how much? 1. By taking x is equal to 3, I got the corresponding y value is 1. So what is the order pair? 3 comma 1. So like that we need to find the solutions like a regular algebraic method. Now this we need to plot on the graph paper. Sir, is two order pairs are enough to draw the graph? To draw the graph of this linear equation two variables. If you find 2, 3, 4, 5, your wish. Now let us plot these 2 points on a graph paper. So let me take one horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. The intersecting point of horizontal line, vertical line, x-axis and y-axis is called origin, which is denoted by 0, 0. Right side of x-axis will take the positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side of x-axis will take negative values -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So bottom of this y-axis will take negative values -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Top of the y-axis will take positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we plot this point 2 comma 3 on x2 on y3. On x2 on y3. So where will we go? So on x we should take 2. We will meet at this point I think. So see, on x we can take 2, on y3. So both will meet at this point 2 comma 3. And what next? 3 comma 1. On x we can take 3, on y we can take 1. On x 3, on y 1. Yes, here there will be 3. So we'll take 3 comma 1 is quadrant plane. Now join this both by using a ruler. Now we'll try to join these 2 points 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1 by using scale. Again by using ruler we'll try to join these 2 points. Then we'll see what is its graphical shape. We can extend both the sides endlessly. The reason is we can find infinite solutions to plot those infinite points. We can extend the line endlessly both the directions. Now see what is the graphical shape? I got straight line. So write its line equation. What is that line equation now? 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now you can see here these two are the solutions which are lie on the straight line. Here I took only 2 solutions. With the help of these solutions, I got the straight line. Suppose if you are interested to find 2 more solutions, you take 4 order pairs, plot that 4 points, draw a line. We can observe that there all the 4 points are lie on the same line. If you find 5 solutions also, all the 5 points are lie on the same line. Now tell me minimum how many order pairs are required to draw a straight line? Minimum 2 order pairs are required to draw a straight line. So I think so no need to find 4 to 5 order pairs. 2 order pairs, I mean 2 solutions are enough to draw a straight line. And now we can say that on this straight line, on that straight line, we can keep infinite number of points, and all the infinite number of points which are there on the straight line, which are lying on the straight line, they are called solutions of this equation. Let me repeat once. On this straight line, we keep infinite number of points, and all the infinite number of points which are there on the straight line, the points which are lying on the straight line, they are solutions of this linear equation 2 variables. Now let us take one point and we'll check. Let me take one point here. See how that point is on y5. Here you can see 1 unit. Here you can see 1 unit. So 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. Now let us check, is that 1 comma 5 is solution of this equation or not? We'll check now. Yes. 1 comma 5 is a point which is there on the straight line. So the point which is lying on the straight line, it must be a solution of this equation. Now let us check 1 comma 5 is solution or not. How can I check? When I submit this 1 comma 5 the given equation, it must satisfy. Then only we can say that it is a solution. Let us check now. X comma y is the order plane. 2 in the place of x1 plus y value 5 is equal to 7. 2 1s are 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5 7 is equal to 7. Yes, it is the order plane 1 comma 5 solution which is going to satisfy this line equation 2x plus y is equal to 0. Now what we can conclude on this straight line, we can keep infinite number of points. So whatever the points lie on that straight line, that all the points are going to be called solutions of the linear equation 2 variable 2x plus y is equal to 7. If I take one point here, let me take one point which is 4 comma 2. Can I say 4 comma 2 is the solution of this linear equation 2 variable? No, 4 comma 2 is not a solution. The reason is point 4 comma 2 is not lying on the straight line. The points which are outside of the straight line are not solutions of this linear equation 2 variables. So these are the points we need to observe. So let me write the key points here. What we observed there? We observed that the graphical shape is the graphical shape of a linear equation. Linear equation 2 variables. The graphical shape of a linear equation 2 variables is, what is the graphical shape? Straight line. Straight line. Not only for this linear equation 2 variable. You take any equation linear in terms of 2 variable, its graphical shape must be straight line. And second thing, what we observed, I took a point on the straight line. and I verified whether it is solution or not. Yes, it is solution. So what we can say, the points lie on the points which are lie on the straight line, which are lie on the straight line, or what one, or solutions of that linear equation two variable, that linear equation two variables. And more, what we observed, the points which are outside of straight line, the points which are not lie on the same line, which are not lie on the straight line, which are not lie on the straight line, or not a solution, or what ma'am, they are not a solutions. These are the key points we observed from the graph of a linear equation two variables. Let's see another example. Yeah, let me take another linear equation two variables. For this also even we need to plot the graph. So to draw a graph, we need x coordinate, y coordinate. I mean order planes are required. So let me find the y value from here. To find the y value plus 4x transpose that side. I mean 3y is equal to how much more? 24 minus 4x. I want to find the y into 3 transpose that side. We get y is equal 24 minus 4x by 3. Let's simplify this by separate denominator. Y is equal to 24 by 3 minus 4x by 3. Simplify what is now? 3 1s are 3 8s are 24. We get y is equal to 8 minus 4x by 3. Yes, this I got. So make it equation 1. Now with the help of this equation, we need to find at least two solutions so that we can draw the graph of this linear equation two variables. Let me submit x is equal to 1. 4 1s are 4, 4 by 3, fraction. When it is a fraction, it is not much easy to represent on a graph paper. Calculation part is a bit difficult. So put the x value which gives an exact whole number so that plotting the graph is easy. Let me take x equal 0, 4 into 0, 0, 8 minus 0, 8. Or you can take x equal, you can take 3. 3, 3 you can see cancellation. We'll get 4, 8 minus 4. So you take the x value by simplifying that. After simplification, should get exact whole number. So let me take, if x is equal to 3, what will happen? See now. Submit equation 1. Let me take equation 1. Y is equal to 8 minus 4. In the place of x, I get 3. Middle was equal into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. So y is equal to how much? 8 minus 4. Y is equal to 4. I got the value y is equal to 4. Let me draw the order pair here. X, y, x comma y. Two solutions I have to draw a graph I said. Yes. Now by taking the x value 3, I got those corresponding y value is 4. Now what is the order pair? 3 comma 4 is one order pair. 3 comma 4 is order pair. Now if I take x is equal to like 3 multiple, let me take 9. 3 3 is 9. So 4 3 is 12. 8 minus 12, you can see minus 4. Alright, let me take now x is equal to 0 to take better. If x is equal to 0, 4 into 0, 0. If x is equal to 0, this I want to submit equation 1. Now see equation 1, y is equal to 8 minus 4, in the place of x how much? 0 by 3. So y is equal to 8, 4 into 0, 0, 0 by something 0. So you can see y is equal to 8. By taking x is equal to 0, I got those corresponding y values 8. So 0 comma 8 is the order pair. Now take the horizontal line, I mean x axis. and also y-axis to draw the graph. So vertical line x-axis, horizontal line, vertical line is y-axis, horizontal line is x-axis, intersecting point is origin 0, 0. So let me take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I can go with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 3, 4 we have to present. Where we can see 3, 4, 3, 4. 3, 4 we can draw like this. Yes, here you can see 3, 4. 3, 4. And next one 0, 8. Where is 0, 8? X value 0. On y we can take 8. Here we can see 0, 8. Now plot this, join these 2 points. Join these 2 points by using ruler. Join these 2 points by using the ruler and write the line equation. What is equation? 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. So what is the scale we are taking on? We took the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit of V2. So that is the way we can plot the points. This is the graphical representation of a linear equation, 2 variables. Make sure that when you get this type of fractions, you take the x value which gives exact whole number by simplifying this, so that plotting the points is easier. Yeah, let's see one more example now. Here I am taking third example, -2x plus y is equal to 0. See, in linear equation 2 variables, maximum we can see only 3 terms, x term, y term, constant. Previous example I took 3 terms, but here I took only 2 terms. Can you see this term is missing here? Yes, constant term is missing. Now let us see if constant this term is missing. Is the graphical shape is straight line only or any other shape? Let us see it. For example, solution. I am going to find the value of y. To find the y, -2x we have transpose that side, plus 2x. Then we have to find at least 2 solutions to draw a graph. Let me draw the table x, y, x comma y. Now we have to find at least 2 solutions to draw the graph. Let me take this equation 1. This we can draw easily without any simplification. If I take x is equal to 1, if I take x is equal to 1, see first case, I am taking x is equal to 1. Submit this in equation 1. Submit 1. What is equation 1? Y is equal to x. Y is equal to 2 into x value how much? 1. Y is equal to 1 is 2. So when I took x is equal to 1, whose corresponding y value is 2. What is the order pair? 1, comma 2. 1, comma 2. Now let me take x is equal to -1. Submit this in equation 1. Equation 1. Now what is equation 1? Y is equal to x. Y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2 in the place of x. Let me take -1. Y is equal to plus into minus 2 1 and 2. I got y is equal to -2. By taking x value -1, I got y is equal to -2. Now what is the order pair? -1, comma -2. These 2 solutions are enough to plot the graph. Now let me draw the graph. Horizontal line is x-axis mark. Vertical line is y-axis. The intersecting point is origin which is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take here 1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here we can take -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we try to point look at these points. 1, 2 on x1, on y2. Yes, on y2, on x1. This here you can see the point which is 1, 2. Next, on x -1, on y -2. On x -1 here. Yes, on y I can see minus 2 here. So where they will be? At this point they will be. Here you can write minus 1 comma minus 2. Now try to join these points by using scale. Now let us join these 2 points by using the scale. Yes, what we observed is we can observe that it is passing through the origin. It is passing through the origin. Let us write this line represent minus x plus y is equal to 0. What is the scale we took, ma? We took the scale on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit we took. Yes, that is the way we can draw the graph of a linear equation to variables. See, here constant term is missing. When the constant term is missing, what we can observe? A straight line is passing through the origin. Straight line is passing through the origin. Now from here we can write one key point. What is the key point we can write? The equation of the type. Equation of a type like y is equal to mx. M is any real number. The equation of a type y is equal to mx. M is any real number. Non-zero real number we can take. Represent. It is going to represent a line. It is going to represent a line or straight line passing through the which is passing through the origin. This is also one of the key points. Passing through the origin. Suppose if I take x is equal to 2y. Now tell me it is passing through which quadrant? Like generally we know it is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant you can see both are plus plus. Second quadrant you can see minus plus. Third minus minus. Fourth you can see plus minus. Now if I draw the graph of this x equal to y, tell me what is the graphical shape? X is equal to y or y is equal to x. Straight line passing through the origin, which passing through the first quadrant and third quadrant. When both sides have same symbol, it passing through the first quadrant and third quadrant. Suppose if I take x is equal to minus 2y, x is equal to minus 2y, then think about it. We get either plus minus or minus plus. Then it is passing through the third and fourth, second and fourth quadrant. So that is the way we can draw the graph. Keep this point in mind. When there is no constant, when it is in the form of y is equal to mx, it passing through the origin. Yeah, we'll see one example now. Example 5. Given that point 1 comma 2, find the equation of a line with it lies. How many such equations are there? They gave one point 1 comma 2 here. They are asking to write the line equations. They are asking to write the line equation 2 variables which are passing through this point 1 comma 2, and also they are asking how many lines are there, how many such equations are there which are passing through the 1 comma 2. See, let me take over rough now. Let me take horizontal line x, vertical line is y. So 0 comma 0 here, 1 2 1 comma 2. Here I'll take 1 comma 2. Yes. When you get to point 1 comma 2, get here. It is the point 1 comma 2. They gave only one single point. They are asking on that point how many lines are passing through this point. See, on one point we can draw infinite number of lines. You can see here all these lines are passing through the given point. Like how many we can draw? We can draw infinite number of lines. We can draw infinite number of lines which are passing through the given point 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Now we go for solution. What we can write? Infinite number of lines are passing through given point 1 comma 2. We have to write few examples of linear equation 2 variables which are passing through the given point 1 comma 2. See, it is the order pair. We'll take x comma y. Now we try to write the equations now. How can I write? See, one equation x plus y. Can you say x plus y is equal to how much now? X plus y is equal to 3. Yes, it is one linear equation, two variables which is passing through the point 1 comma 2. The reason is the coordinate 1 comma 2 will satisfy this equation. Similarly, we can write more equations now. Can I write y minus x is equal to, yes, y minus x is equal to how much? 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Even this also we have equation, two variables which passes through the given point. Submit this given point, it must satisfy the equation y minus x is equal to 1. We'll write more. Suppose x minus y is equal to how much now? 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Alright? And more we can write like y is equal to 2x we can write. So like that we can write how many? We can write infinite number of line equations which are passing through the given point. Hope you understood. How to try graph of a linear equation, two variables, and how we can plot the points, how many minimum points, how many minimum coordinates are required, how many minimum order planes are required to draw the graph. We learned today class, and based on that concept we can try this homework now. Exercise 4.3, first bit, second bit, third bit. This you can try homework. Thank you once again. We'll meet next class.